So I'll be the one naman to explain the membership po, categories sa UPLA. So UPLA has basically two membership categories po. One for, I'll explain both. First one is the regular membership. Ito po ay open for commercial laundries, owner serving personal and small business laundry requirements. Ito po ay, siguro you're familiar with mga residential or yung mga traditional laundries, and of course yung ating pong commercial laundry shop owners po. And any related solutions to everyday customers, and medyo kind of small scale establishment po. And then the other one po is basically the industrial OPL or OSL laundry facility owners. If you're not familiar with OPL, that is on-premise laundry po. And then the OSL naman is the outsourced laundry po. Ayan. So operators, these are operators of large-scale laundry facilities that cater basically to high-volume laundry requirements. Sectors such as, medyo familiar kayo siguro sa Horeca, that's the hotel, restaurants, actually cafes slash catering yan, and of course manufacturing industries, healthcare institutions, that basically gets a consistent and efficient professional laundry requirements po or processing ng laundry. Ayan. So tayo ngayon are sa ating mga laundry shop owners sa RBPN, kasi halos ano tayo, shop owners at the same time contractors also o dealers. So yung ating pong shop side o shop owner side will be part of the regular membership po ng ating UPLA. Yan. So and then of course I will briefly provide the benefits of a regular membership. Ayan. So para makita nyo naman din po kung ano yung ano natin, benefits, no? Leadership and vote. Number one, leadership and voting rights. Members can help shape UPLA's direction by voting in the General Assembly po and becoming eligible for nomination to the Board of Trustees po. Yan. So pwede tayong maging officer ng UPLA eventually po. Number two, networking and collaboration. This basically provides opportunities to connect with our fellow laundry shop owners and key industry partners po. Business growth opportunities, gain valuable insight, leads po, strategies to help expand and strengthen your laundry business. Number four would be the exclusive training and workshop. This one po, we can provide access on expert-led learning sessions designed to keep members updated po and skilled in the industry best practices. Yan. So we provide you yan, mga training and workshops. Yan kami nagsimula nung pandemic, and even after pandemic, yan po yung aming naging core activities, no? And of course, advocacy on the representation. This will ensure basically members to have a voice in important industry policies, regulations, and discussions. On the special discounts, hindi sa machine, but sa exclusive member perks on supplies and services, essential for laundry shop owners, laundry shop operations natin. On the technical support and consultation, you will receive expert guidance to improve your shop's performance and operational efficiencies. For the market insights naman po and innovations, hopefully we can provide you to keep you stay updated with the latest trends po sa laundry, no? Data and emerging technologies in the industry of laundry. Number 9 would be community support and mentorship. Connect with experienced professionals and learn from the shared knowledge of your peers po. So tayo po ay magtutulungan naman dito, no? Pretty much we're one bracket sa RBP, sa RBPN, but we wanted to know also other learnings from other companies or other shop owners din po. Hopefully, we can collaborate with each other. And then industry events and expos. This one we are trying sana. This is our dream nila Sir Ruel, nila Miss May to have an expo po, no, for the laundry industry. Of course, we want to gain access on the business innovations, new opportunities, and value networking through industry gatherings po. So hopefully, we can come up with your help and others, medyo tulong ng iba pa nating mga kasama sa industriya. We were able, sana makakuha, maka, ano tayo, gawa tayo talaga ng expo. Hopefully, next year, sir, kung, kung possible, Sir Ruel, no? Kung kakayanin. But hopefully, sa tulong ninyo, makagawa tayo ng laundry expo in the Philippines po. And then, the next slide would be, ito po, for signing for the membership po, we provided na po the QR code. For the rates for the regular members po, it's only 1,500 pesos only. It's a one-time registration fee of 750 and an annual membership fee po of 750. Very, very reasonable price po to be involved with UPLA. So hopefully we would like to invite everybody, especially for the shop owners ng RBPs natin, to be part of the regular membership. And then of course we'll provide also a certificate of membership. Ayan po. We will have a membership ID. You can present this or have this pwede niyo pong i-display to sa inyong mga shops that you're part of the United Philippine Laundry Association. So this one will be given upon registration po. Yan. And then, of course, the second category naman is for the affiliate members. Yan, for the affiliate members, these are basically intended for industry partners po who support the laundry sector. So sila po ay hindi shop owner but basically lahat ng tumutulong sa atin, tumutulong sa mga shop owners po. This may be individual or companies that provide essential products and services to the laundry businesses po. So yan po, kasama na rin po dyan yung mga suppliers ng sabon, suppliers ng gas, suppliers ng plastics or anything that will basically support the operations of a laundry shop. Dito po sila magiging member po, as an affiliate member po ng UPLA. Ayan. So, this one is a very parang summary lang of the benefits. We have po three types of membership po for the affiliate membership natin. It will be a silver, gold, and platinum. So you will see naman, sir, kung ano po yung mga inclusions on each bracket of membership po or types of membership. But basically, the benefits, ayan naman po. It will be shown to you by, tawag ko dito, the benefits of roughly about 10 benefits that we can show. One is, of course, business exposure and market research po. Expand your brand's visibility within the laundry industry, access a wider network of potential clients, partners, and operators. Networking and collaboration po, connect with industry professionals, suppliers, and operators to build meaningful partnerships and explore new business opportunities. Yan, napaka-importante yan sa atin. Participation in industry events and expos. You will gain access to exclusive events po, trade fairs or expos or future expos that we will be planning to have that showcase the latest technologies, innovations, and trends in the laundry sector. Number 4, give exclusive deals and promotions. Basically, you will be enjoying special offers po. Member-only discounts on the trainings po na nilalabas ng UPLA. Promotional opportunities that help increase sales and strengthen brand loyalty. Advocacy and industry representation refers to be a part of an organization that champions industry standards, fair business practices, and collective interest to benefit all members. For sponsorship naman, you can promote, sir, all your products and services through UPLA channels and events po. Even sa page po, pwede kayong mag-post. We will be the one to approve naman po, but this is only open for members po and affiliates po. And then that will also help you increase your brand presence and engagement. You can use that as posting sa mga pages ninyo. Yan, malaki pong tulong yan sa atin. Training and technical learning sessions, access to expert-led training programs designed to enhance skills. This one will be coordinated to different parts of groups, no, that possibly not only on the operations but supports continuous laundry learnings po, government driven initiatives, or basically how to improve operations of the shops po. On the industry insights and feedback from laundry operators, of course, this one will give you a valuable on-the-ground insights and real-world feedback from laundry shop owners. Pinipilit po namin din magkaroon ng ma-share sa inyo yung mga best practices from other shops as much as possible, or other laundry groups that can provide learnings naman po from their success stories din po. Recognition as a trusted industry partner. This one po ay will provide you naman tama ba yung press, will provide a recognition or a certificate also that you're a trusted partner of UPLA po. So you can provide also to other shop owners po na makatulong naman i-promote yung mga produkto ninyo. And then community engagement and CR activities are basically outreach programs that we will provide eventually that contribute to allow your brand to continue positively to society. Ayon. So hopefully po we can provide you can join us on the CSR initiatives that we plan also next year sa UPLA po. And then this one also is our naman for the affiliate membership, the signing of the QR code for our affiliate membership. So this one we have also three types of membership fees then also. So silver starts at 3,000 pesos po. And then gold starts at 10,000 and platinum po is the 20,000 pesos po. Ayan. So if you have questions on the affiliates, we'll gladly to discuss it with you personally din po. And then of course we'll provide you an UPLA affiliate plaque of recognition. And this one po pwede nyo i-display sa mga offices ninyo. And you can also put this one on your presentations to your clients na your UPLA certified po, affiliate of the United Philippine Laundry Association.